Hi, welcome back. Hello, students and professionals. So, real-time project hypercare period or else project warranty for live SAP ECC or S4 HANA, irrespective of any module. What is this hypercare period or project warranty? Okay, so let's see the definition. The period of intensive customer or user support in the course of introducing a new service. So you did not understand anything, right? Let me explain. Suppose you have, you know, you have all phases, right? Requirement gathering, project build and testing. And after that, user acceptance testing. You are going for finally go live. After go live also, suppose you are doing user training for your customers, okay? User manuals preparation. Still, they have little, they cannot able to understand if they are new to SAP system. Initially, at the time of training also, you have a little support should be needed by your what do you call faculty, right? Okay, so it's very sensitive, this support actually. So certain things probably it's some mistakes it's project and they might forgot and not maintaining condition record, not correctly maintaining, or else master data issues, or else something little small changes. Generally what happens, if it is a good project, then it is a small changes. Okay, so they are supporting after go live certain period called, that is called hypercare. Hyper means, that is a Greek word, like it's intensive. Okay, intensive. So I can say that intensive care, some patient is in intensive care, how you are supporting, right? In the similar way, if it is go live, it should be intensive support, it is required from your project partner actually. Okay, service partner or else go live partner. Okay, such a case. So that period, what is the period? Generally it is last from uh, least means 25 days, 25 days to generally it will be more than a month or 45 days. Wherever the projects I worked, it's more than a 45 days. Okay, so before starting their extension or rollout or another phase of the project, but intensive support will be 45 days, whatever the issues come on the live system we are going to support. Okay, so in next session I will try to add one of the failure in my project where actually intensive care support should be needed actually. So now you understood, right? This is the period of 25 days or 45 days. So this is my YouTube channel. You can subscribe it. Okay. So to get more knowledge about it, if you're a beginner or professional, let's try to check this. So currently I'm holding 3,251 students. So this is the course 82 hours extensive sales and distribution on ECC and S4 HANA. If you are not introduced, you better get into this. If you are beginner also, you must know this. With this knowledge, you can start in any S4 project. If you are from ECC also, so like that, few concepts I have done. If you are beginner, then you just subscribe this one. You are not at all worked in IT industry. So practically, what kind of documents we have? This is one of the key section which is useful for beginners getting master to write functional specification. This is for pricing. This is one of my top course. If you are best at pricing, you have a value in the market. This is at basic level, 8 hours, and in standard only I have done a little intensive level, so you can get more concepts on pricing. And this is for ST1 intercompany sales, and this is an S4 HANA intercompany sales. So this is for rebates, few set of courses available. You better have these courses in your what do you call mobile, so that whenever you want, you will have a quick preparation. Whichever the concept you want, you can open and you can see. Recently I have added shipment learning and transportation. Okay, so I think with this you got some knowledge about uh, what is hypercare and project warranty for live. Okay, so this is we'll catch up in next session. Thank you very much. Have a great time. I wish you all the best. Jai Hind.